Would you rather have the power to make anyone fall in love with you or be able to read their minds?
Only one person or overall?
अरे बाप रे बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस चाहिए.
No, as in read minds. Only one person, का?
Yeah, that person ना जिस whoever you.
Read mind, because falling in love is easy. And
Making them fall in love, huh?
Huh?
Making them fall
in love. That I can do organically also. I know it. I have.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Trending Now with Urvashi. Today I have someone on my show who started her career with the most popular show called Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. She was extremely young at that time and trust me, she's much more younger now. Well, she's extremely talented, extremely beautiful, a TikTok lover, a fitness freak. For me, she's like one Karishma ka Karishma. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Karishma Tanna. Hello.
Hi, Shashi. How are you?
Oh, how are you and all? So I have to tell you guys that every time we connect, we tend to speak in Gujarati and greet each other in Gujarati. Like, કેમ છે? મજામાં?
કેમ છે? મજામાં. હું બહુ મજામાં છું. લોકડાઉનમાં બોર થઈ રહી છું. But I think now you're just getting used to this lockdown.
Correct.
4.0.
No, you have no choice.
We have no choice. What to do? I mean, such is life and such is where we've come now. We have to just get used to it.
Correct. I can't even tell you that, oh, look at the lockdown. It's done so good to your skin. Your skin is glowing because your skin is always glowing. Always, guys. I have to tell you, I think Karishma Tanna has all the qualities in her. She's got her height to her advantage. Her absolutely gorgeous drop dead figure to her advantage. And if nobody knows her or seen her personally, then I can vouch for it that she's got the most amazing skin ever. No, it's true. It's true. I wonder how do you get this?
देना चाहती हूँ मैं इसका श्रेय मैं अपने आप को भी देना चाहती हूँ.
I really wonder where do you get this glass skin from? We all try and we like, अच्छा ठीक है रहने तो नहीं हो रहा हमसे.
So I think it's natural also to a point. As in my mother's skin, if you see, you've met my mother. My mother's skin is naturally very good and still very good, touch wood. And my skin, it's just that I maintain it. My skin is nice, but I just maintain it by doing घर का nuskas and put little bit of mask or just homemade pastes, whenever I get the time.
Which you have also implemented in the previous serials also.
Imagine
your introduction, your title track in the title track.
Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi, I am with a face pack, and I didn't know that literally I'm gonna be with a face pack all my life.
No, but I mean to say clearly, guys, every time she enters the room, we have to see, we either start getting complex because we wonder, okay, are we underdressed, are we overdressed? Because, she dresses to kill, and today I had to really think, not that I have done much with today's look, but then I had to really get ready and I called her up and I told her, it's you, so I have to get ready. And I've only got ready for one more person before this. So besides, so I believe you've also got hurt on your toe.
Yes, I did. Not hurt, I got infected because of my ingrowth problem which I had for a long time. And then in this lockdown, it started hurting me so much because you can't go to the salon to do your pedicure. I only tried to do something and it grew in a wrong direction where it got infected. And I got fungal infection, and then I overnight called doctor and show her the picture, and then finally she said that you have to get it. So I went to the hospital they were not taking me, but then they knew me and I was locked down. And on a special request, he literally did it early in the morning. It was so painful that 1 week I couldn't bear it. Imagine removing your entire shit.
I totally
So
get
bad.
you. I totally get you because even when a little bit of our nail cracks from the side, it's so painful. I completely get you. I feel you totally on this matter. So okay, so I don't know how much you know about this show. I think I did send you an episode to watch and to gather what this show is all about.
It was
This
fun. I saw the episode. It was
it's a Let's play Would You Rather. Would you rather have an unlimited amount of chips or candy?
or candy. Chips, because I'm not a big candy or ice cream fan, but I love chips. Yeah, so chips. For sure.
Gujarati side in you.
Full banana chips I want.
Oh, even me.
Tikha wala.
Huh. Not the pepper ones. I like the masala one. The red masala one. Okay. Would you rather eat tacos or pizza?
Both, can I say?
Okay, so before we started this, I forgot to tell you guys that Karishma Tanna, with the figure that she has and with the health freak that she is, she's an absolute foodie, guys. Which is why these questions are coming up now.
Totally a foodie. See, I'm saying both because I want to. I can't miss one. If I miss taco, then I'm like, oh my god, no, I have to have both. Please.
Okay.
Please let me.
ओके गिवन भाई लॉकडाउन है तो भाई चलो तुम्हारी ये तमन्ना पूरी करते हैं.
Thank you.
Would you rather have cookies or cake?
Cake, for sure. It's nice. I don't like cookies, I don't like biscuits, but once in a while I like to have one piece of cake. I don't have a sweet tooth. A lot of people don't know that, but I generally, being a Gujarati, I do not have a strong sweet tooth, Like if it's there, maybe I will not even have it. But if I feel like once in a month, then I will just have it. But if you tell me, pizza khao, pani puri khao, bhel khao, sev puri khao, samosa khao, vada pav khao, I am on.
Well, let me just for your information, let me just tell you that sweet tooth is usually a Punjabi trait.
Gujaratis also have so much. They are mad behind mithais.
I think Punjabis beat the Gujaratis in that.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. And considering I have best of both the worlds, my mother's a Panju, my father's a Gujju, so I have best. So I have both these traits and I don't know how to control them at times.
Right.
It becomes very difficult. Yeah, but Gujarati ma jalebi fafda and all that, yeah.
Na bhave mana.
I love jalebi. Jalebi fafda, I love.
Wow. Wow.
Manne bau game. Okay, cool. Would you rather eat a dead bug or a live worm?
A dead bug or a live?
Worm.
Oh my god, what did you ask me? Nothing.
Someone who has just won Khatron Ke Khiladi has to answer this question.
Maybe a dead bug because he's dead. I can just swallow. See,
But I've usually seen those live worms just like they're like noodles.
ulti thi jaise.
Trust me, I can never go on that show. Never ever because I'm scared of an ant. See? She agrees.
When he doesn't get too much of attention, then he just does. Yes. Urvashi, I also couldn't go for Khatron Ke Khiladi. This was my 4th attempt that they called, and I said no. I said no. And this was the time where I'm like, what am I running away from? Let me go and face my fears. What will I do? Come back in the first round. No? At least I attempted. At least I tried. Unlike other actors, because they all have their scares and this and all of that. So I went and I shocked myself that I had the threshold, I had the strength, what do you say? The power to do the stunt for some reason. Pata nahi, wo show magic hai. You go there and it just happens automatically.
Then I'm a super fattu, huh?
After my gyan.
Then I'm a super fattu. I still might not be able to do it because I am too scared. I am scared of a cheaty, yaar. I'm telling you. So
I am scared of an injection also. Matlab, the first floor would know that the third floor is having an injection. That it's that bad.
would you rather jump into a pool of chocolate pudding or a pool of mud cake?
Mud cake.
My choice exactly.
Yeah. This chocolate is I like chocolates. I mean, I'm not a big fan of chocolates, but I'm definitely not a big fan of puddings and all. So chocolate is better.
Darling, clearly right now you're looking like a fan of a lot of sweets and a lot of food. Clearly.
Hey, come on.
Have you been asked these kind of questions before?
Never.
Okay. There are many more coming. Would you rather sneeze cheese or have your tears be chocolate flavored?
Sneeze cheese because I love cheese. I want cheese in everything, like basically everything. I would want it in my omelette. I would want it too much in my pizza. I would want it in my cheese sandwich. So yeah, I would sneeze cheese. So
Guys, this woman is very deceiving. ये धोखेबाज है. ये बोलती है कि ये स्वीट्स नहीं खाती लेकिन इसने सारे चॉकलेट्स और सब इस मिठाइयों का नाम मतलब प्रेफरेंसेस बता दिए हैं. अब इसने चीज का भी प्रेफरेंस बता दिया है. मुझे सिर्फ ये पूछना है एंड आई एम श्योर इवन यू मस्ट बी आस्किंग द सेम, वेयर डज इट गो, हाउ डज इट नॉट शो. हम तो एक रसगुल्ला खाते हैं इधर आ जाता है.
मेरा भी आता है. ट्रस्ट मी, मैं गुजराती हूँ, बट द ओनली थिंग इज दैट आई एम टॉल. सी
Oh, you're tall, huh? Okay, huh? That's what we are jealous about also.
yeah.
So now that we have completed the kids level,
Oh.
yes, of course, this was the kids level, yeah. This was just an icebreaker.
Oh damn. Okay.
Now we move on to the mature level. Would you rather win $1 million in a lottery or never have to buy anything for yourself again?
Definitely win a lot of $1 million, so I can buy whatever I want to because I love shopping. I want my own choice. I want to go out. I want to explore. I want to choose and pick up things. So definitely win a lottery. Definitely.
Okay. Would you rather stay forever at your current age or be 10 years younger?
Really?
Huh?
Younger for sure. For sure, 10 years younger.
Why? I would rather be at my current age.
And not age at all, is it?
Yeah, would you rather be stuck at your current age?
You're stuck.
Yeah, would you rather stay forever at your current age or be 10 years younger?
No. Then if she's growing, then no. Then I'm stuck to this age because I think this is my phase where I look pretty. And 10 years younger, I think I had to prove myself. So yeah, this is perfect.
You look gorgeous, darling.
Right?
You look gorgeous, not just pretty.
Thank you.
Would you rather lose your sense of smell or sense of taste?
Arey baap re. Sense of smell, taste. Hi Rabba.
I think I know the answer.
Sense of smell then because I want to eat.
Exactly, I knew it. इतना सब इसने जवाब दिया है. इससे पहले चॉकलेट, मटके, ये वो कैंडी चिप्स. उसके
I want Coco, please. I want to eat. So sense of taste for sure. I will eat.
Okay. Would you rather have all your emails for the next 2 months made public or have your text messages read by everyone?
The email has all professional contracts and do's and don'ts and all of that. Messages are very boring for me. My messages are very, very boring. So I think everyone can read my messages.
Okay, I really didn't expect that. I thought it would be the other way around because my emails are very boring. Not that my messages are any important either.
Maybe my emails have my contracts, my amounts, my negotiations, my
Yeah,
fighting.
Actually, that should go public, huh?
My messages are damn good. I'm generally a phone person. So yeah, you can be Urvashi. Nothing you'll find.
I tried, okay, guys, I tried. Would you rather lose your keys, all of them, huh? House and car, everything, or lose your phone?
Oh God. I think I'll lose my phone because I can't do without my car keys. I can't do without my house, of course. I can't do without my cupboard keys also. So I'm okay to lose my phone.
Okay. वाह वाह
Yeah.
और उसके बाद में वो फोन हमें मिल जाएगा और फिर हम उसमें से वो ईमेल्स देखेंगे. Okay. Would you rather have the power to make anyone fall in love with you or be able to read their minds?
Only one person or overall?
अरे बाप रे, बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस चाहिए.
No, as in read minds, only one person ka?
Yeah, that person, na, just whoever you.
Read mind, because falling in love is easy. And
Making them fall in love, huh?
Huh?
Making them fall.
in love. That I can do organically also. I know it.
I don't think so. You need to try. Matlab, what do you mean? I can do organically. People will be falling in love with you left, right, and center.
Yeah, boy or men can fall in love with me. I have that kind of potential or the qualities, I would say. What quality and potential and the power I wouldn't have is reading the mind. So yes, I'm gonna read the mind.
What men want, huh?
What men want, definitely, because what if they lie?
Ha,
I want
okay.
to know.
Okay, cool. Coming to your last question of this level, the mature level.
Okay.
Would you rather spend every minute, the rest of your life, outside or inside?
Outside the house.
Yeah, मतलब outside the planet तो नहीं बोल सकती.
Outside the house or inside the house? Oh God. Inside the house.
Locked up.
Because I'm a very home person. I like my house. I like my own room. I like my space. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. I love to be with myself in my house.
Fantastic. Fantastic. So now that you've crossed the mature level, now let's get to some fun level.
Okay, let's do some fun.
So now I will give you some choices.
Oh, damn. Oh.
Would you rather? Now this is the actual would you rather. Would you rather Karan Kundra or Parth Samthan?
Karan Kundra or Parth Samthan. I know both of them very little, like hello, hi.
You don't have to know them. I'm just saying would you rather?
Parth Samthan.
Okay. Parth Samthan. Parth Samthan or Siddharth Shukla?
Parth Samthan or Siddharth Shukla. Sid is a friend, so Siddharth Shukla.
Okay. दो लोगों को बड़ा जल्दी आउट कर दिया इसने. सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला और प्रियांक शर्मा.
Siddharth Shukla.
Okay. सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला और पारस छाबरा.
The Big Boss Paras Chhabra.
हाँ.
Siddharth Shukla.
सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला और पर्ल पुरी.
Paul is a very dear friend, so hands down Paul Puri.
Yeah. See, I knew it. Well, that comes to the end of your entire segment of kids, mature and fun levels. You played 3 levels with me and Next time I'm going to play at the teen level with you. Let's see how you know, project yourself as a teenager.
Oh, I would love it. Ask me some filmy questions also.
Okay, next time, na, then you come back on my show next time without breaking your toe or toenail or anything.
That time I dance also with you.
So then I'll do a hook step challenge with you. No, I did it with Pearl.
Oh, you did? Yeah, correct.
And but the only thing is, this time I am not going to do the dance, huh?
And
Also,
I
you
will.
will.
Step and then I will do it with you.
Okay. Yeah, actually, we both should have some good fun. So yes, I shall, and I'm so happy that you said that you will come back on my show.
100% I will. You're
So-
doing really well.
Thank you.
And, I think it's a good initiative what you're doing.
Thank
You
you.
know, making the actors reach their fans, and you know what they really can't talk. They talk to you because you're a friend. You're not just anybody who will do live with an actor. You're an actor yourself. So an actor conversation is more fun. It's more lighter.
Yeah.
It's more casual. You know.
Yeah.
So what you're doing is a good initiative.
Oh, thank you.
Since you're friends.
Thank you so much. You know, yeah, it was great fun. But thank you so much for coming on my show. And before you leave, would you want to say something to the audience, please?
Please watch this episode and the entire series of Urvashi Cholakia. I think she's doing a fab job. She's done great initiative by talking to all the active friends she has and keeping everyone entertained. So please watch it. And good rocks! Yay!
Oh, Gujuro. Oh, thank you so much. I actually thought you would say something to your fans about, you know, how you love them and how they should keep positive in this lockdown. But
It's all about you. So let's give all the credit to you.
no, the show is actually all about us.
Yes, it is.
And I'm so happy once again that you're here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. That was Karishma Tanna for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun. Keep watching Trending Now with Urvashi. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.